Most people think creatine just makes you retain water. That's a lie that can hold back your progress for years. In reality, creatine changes your genetic expression. It literally hacks your fatigue threshold at the molecular level. Today we'll break down how 5 grams of white powder make your cells divide faster and why your brain needs it more than your biceps do. In the side effects section, we'll go over a 2025 study that proved a link between creatine and IQ levels, and why non-responsiveness to it is a myth. Your body is a bad battery. Let's explain the ATP resynthesis cycle. When you press a barbell, your ATP, adenosine triphosphate, supply burns out in 2 to 3 seconds. What remains is ADP, useless waste. Phosphocreatine donates its phosphate molecule, instantly turning ADP back into ATP. But if it's just energy, why do muscles increase in size even without training? The answer is osmotic pressure. Creatine is an osmolyte. It pulls water into the sarcoplasm. This isn't under-eye puffiness, it's cellular hydration. A swollen cell sends a signal to the nucleus: I'm about to burst, we need to strengthen the walls. This triggers protein synthesis. Creatine lowers levels of myostatin, a protein that blocks muscle growth. You're literally removing this speed limiter from your genes. The brain consumes 20% of the body's total energy. Studies show that under sleep deprivation, creatine helps maintain cognitive function at normal levels. In vegetarians, who lack an external source of creatine from meat, supplementation improves memory test performance by 20 to 30%. Myths about creatine. Myth 1. Baldness? Meta-analyses from 2024 have closed this issue. There's no effect on DHT, dihydrotestosterone. Myth 2. Kidneys? Only if you already have a condition. Myth 3. Forget about loading with 20g. That's marketing. 5g a day, and in 3 weeks your stores are full. If you made it this far, your understanding of biochemistry is higher than 90% of people in the gym. Like if you want a similar breakdown on omega-3. Subscribe, here we turn science into your results every 3 days.